Hi, I'm Beth Kingston, and today I'm going to show you how to create a fun back-to-school project using the Xyron Creative Station, a cereal box, and some rulers. Let me show you how to put it together. So I'm going to grab my Creative Station, and I've got a 9-inch permanent refill in it, and I've taken a cereal box and I've cut an 8x10 rectangle, and I'm just going to go ahead and run the whole thing through the Xyron machine. And once it's run through, I'm just going to use the little orange trimmer to cut it off. Set the machine aside. Then I just want to give it a little bit of a rub around the edges to make sure the adhesive is where I want it. Then I'm going to remove the clear film. And peel off Then I'm going to take my rulers, and I've grabbed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. I'm going to start with one in the center, and you just need to decide which way you want them to lay. I'm going to start with one in the center, and I'm going to leave a little bit of overhang on each one. Once I've got my first one centered, I'm going to take my ribbon that I'm going to use to hang it later. I'm just going to go ahead and add that to the ends, and then I can trim off any excess once we're done. And then I just go ahead and keep adding the rulers until I covered the chipboard. Then before I trim off the edges, I want to go ahead and monogram this to make this for a special teacher. So I've cut a large B out of cardstock. I'm going to take my Creative Station and again insert it into the machine and run it through. And I'm going to trim it. And this I want to also give a rub, especially around the center, because I want to make sure the adhesive is exactly where I want it to go. Peel this off. And I can stick it right down on my rulers. I'm going to lay it a little bit further down because I also want to add a nice big bow right up here at the top. So I'm just going to take a little bit of liquid glue, add my bow. Then once that's dry, I'm going to flip this up. Just trim off the excess ribbon on both sides. And I've got the perfect back-to-school project that would be great for a teacher's room, a front door, or your kids' room. For more great project ideas, come check us out on Xyron.com.